Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how I make this gorgeous pink bracelet. The things that I'm going to use are pliers, a mat, a fishing line, here's the size, then I have scissors, then I have beads. I think these ones are like 4mm beads and they are jade, and then I have these like very light pink ones, and I think I got these ones from AliExpress, but I will check and I will link in the description box as I always do. And here I actually started making the bracelet yesterday, but I didn't finish because I wanted to show you guys how I make it, because I think it's absolutely gorgeous. If you have watched any of my other like daisy bracelet videos, this is pretty much like similar thing. So what I did here is I cut the fishing line. I did, let's say, about 1 meter. I folded it over so it's the same length, and then I just pull the end on. So how you can do that is, let me just show you. So here I just took a piece of fishing line, I just folded it over and took this end, and then I just take and I pull the fishing line in the closure, not the closure, the crimp cover, no, crimp cover, fold over crimp end, I think. So it looks like this, and then I just fold down the sides. And this is how it looks. This is what I did here, and then I started beading. The beading process is, you take one of the little beads and I put each end of the fishing line through opposite side of the bead, like so. Drag it down, and then I take 8 beads in total, but I will put 4 on one end of the fishing line. And then I will put 4 more on the other end of the fishing line, like so. And then I will take one of the jade beads and I put both ends of the fishing line through the bead. Like so. And now I will just take this end and like sort of fold it over. And this is how it looks now. And then I take one end of the fishing line and I put through 4 beads on one side. So I went through 3, but I will put through the last one. And then I put the other side of the fishing line through the other opposite side, 4 beads. And just pull it. And then just pull it so it's nice and tight. And then you take another one of the small beads and put each end of the fishing line through opposite side of the bead, like so. And then you just pull the end so it tightens up, and that's it. So I'll do again. 1 bead through opposite side of each end of the fishing line through opposite side of the bead. Drag it down Then you take 4 beads on one end of the fishing line and 4 beads on the other end of the fishing line. Oops. Like so. You take one larger bead, put through both ends of the fishing line through the bead, drag it down, fold it over, and then one end of the fishing line through one side 4 beads, and then you put the other end of the fishing line through the opposite side 4 beads. Like so. And then you take one more last little bead, put through each end of the fishing line to the opposite side of the bead, drag it down, and just pull the end so it tightens up nicely. And this is it, literally, but it makes such a pretty bracelet. Look. Okay, I will finish the whole bracelet and then show you the final result. So this is the final result. I think it's super cute, and I think it's just gonna add to your wrist this spring or summer. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I do have quite a lot of videos on my channel already. Do me a favor and go check them out, and I will see you next time. Bye.